Alright, hey guys, nothing for today. I got this box of 1718 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. I got this box to celebrate something that I got. If you saw on Instagram, you probably saw it on my Instagram story. So, I got a box of Chrome stuff to celebrate something Chrome I got in the mail. So, let's open this box. This was $95. You get 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box, 1 hit, 10 parallels, at least 2 are numbered, and then 3 inserts. And yeah, so let's get into this box of O-Pee-Chee Platinum. All of the cards are Chrome, of course. So let's get right into this box. Never opened a box of this stuff before. Opened a few packs, but nothing, no hobby packs, that is. So, we got a green parallel in the first pack. We got Matt Murray. We got a Christian Fisher Marquee Rookie Retro Green. I really like these retro 07-08 O-Pee-Chee. I think they're really cool. That is 8 of 99 or 8 of 49 green rainbow parallel. That's cool. We got a rookie of Evgeny Svechnikov and an Andrew Ladd base card. Mark Scheifele got an in action of Nico Hischier. Insert. Got a Christian Jews Marquee Rookie and Jordan Everly. Alright. Corey Schneider, Sidney Crosby. Got a retro of Jonathan Toews. Even the backs are the same as 07-08. It's pretty cool. And a Marquee Rookie of Charlie McAvoy. Okay, Martin Jones, Temi Panarin. I got a Philip Chlapik, Rainbow Marquee Rookie. The Marquee Rookie of Alex Kerfoot. Claude Giroux. Carey Price. Got a William Nylander Seismic Gold. That's pretty cool. It's a very nice looking card. And it's 20 of 50. Days. Pretty nice looking card. Not as nice as the Superfractor though. I think the Superfractor is still much nicer. Or as Upper Deck calls it, the Golden Treasure. Or as Panini calls it, the Gold Vinyl, which is technically that. And then the top Superfractor, whatever Leaf calls it. Adam Henrique, got a John Tavares Purple Pixel. These are really cool cards. I like these. These aren't numbered, but they're super nice. They're Violet Pixel. A Teemu Selanne and a Jesper Bratt Marquee Rookie. Wayne Simmons, Nick Bonino. Got a Brad Marchand Retro, and Oscar Klefbom. Got Alex Ovechkin. Got a Kevin Hayes Violet Pixel. A Will Butcher Marquee Rookie, and Kevin Hayes base card. Okay, we got Scott Darling. Leon Draisaitl. Got an Ed Belfour Rainbow. That's cool. And a Clayton Keller Marquee Rookie. Duncan Keith. Got a Marcus Johansson Retro. Patrick Waugh and a Christian Fisher Marquee Rookie. Jonathan Huberdeau, Braden Point. Got a Johnny Gaudreau Rainbow and a David Pasternak base. Brent Burns, Matt Duchene, and Nico Hischier Marquee Rookie Retro Rainbow. And a Christian Jaros Marquee Rookie. Matt Bolesky, Tyler Seguin, Nico Hischier, regular retro rookie, and Patrick Marleau. Still looking for the autograph. Joe Pavelski. Got a Wayne Gretzky Platinum Records. Martin Necas, marquee rookie, and Ryan Johansson. Okay, Patrick Laine, Anthony Mantha Rainbow, Travis Sanheim, marquee rookie, and Wayne Gretzky. Sean Monahan, Connor McDavid. Here's our autograph. It's Gabriel Carlson. Red retro marquee rookie autograph. Nolan Patrick marquee rookie behind that. It's not numbered, just a red rainbow autograph. All right. Got an orange checkers back here. It's a rookie too. TJ Oshie, Connor McDavid retro. Yager base, and a Pierre-Luc Dubois orange checker marquee rookie. 1 of 25. That's not terrible. Pretty cool looking card. I think these are called orange checker, right? Yeah, orange checkers. 1 of 25. It's all right. Henrik Sedin and a Nico Hischier destined for glory. Samuel Blaise, marquee rookie, and Joe Pavelski. Or Joe Sakic, not Joe Pavelski. Ren Sad, Alex Nylander, marquee rookie, retro. Alex Formenton, marquee rookie. And a Matt Bolesky, red prism, 49 of 199. Last pack. Got Ryan Hartman, William Nylander, rainbow, Tuukka Rask, and a Carter Rowney marquee rookie retro, or normal. So that wasn't a terrible box. I mean, we got quite a few numbered cards, some nice low numbered ones as well. Cool autograph, not the greatest player, but I mean, it looks nice. So that is it. Here's all of our inserts and stuff. A lot of color. So that is it for this box of 17/18 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.